Question number 1. Who is considered the father of sociology? The right option is option C, Auguste Comte. Question number 2. Sociology is the study of. The right option is option B, society and social behavior. Question number 3. The term sociology was coined by. The right option is option B, Auguste Comte. Question number 4. Which of the following is a key method used in sociological research? The right option is option C, observation and surveys. Question number 5. Who introduced the concept of worse than in sociology? The right option is option C, Max Weber. Question number 6. Emile Durkheim is best known for his work on. The right option is option B, social solidarity and society. Question number 7. Which type of research is commonly used in sociology? The right option is option C, qualitative and quantitative methods. Question number 8. What is the basic unit of society in sociology? The right option is option D, family. Question number 9. Which sociologist is associated with the conflict theory? The right option is option B, Karl Marx. Question number 10. The functionalist perspective sees society as. The right option is option C, a system of interrelated parts. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a basic social institution? The right option is option D, sports. Question number 12. The primary function of the family as a social institution is. The right option is option C, socialization and reproduction. Question number 13. A monogamous marriage involves. The right option is option C, one man and one woman. Question number 14. Which institution is primarily responsible for transmitting cultural values? The right option is option D, education. Question number 15. The economic institution and society is concerned with. The right option is option B, production, distribution, and consumption. Question number 16. Culture is best defined as. The right option is option C, shared beliefs, values, and practices. Question number 17. Material culture includes. The right option is option B, technology and tools. Question number 18. Non-material culture consists of. The right option is option B, values, beliefs, and norms. Question number 19. The term ethnocentrism refers to? The right option is option B, believing one's own culture is superior. Question number 20, cultural lag refers to? The right option is option B, delay in cultural adaptation. Question number 21, the process through which individuals learn societal norms is called? The right option is option C, socialization. Question number 22, the first agent of socialization for a child is usually? The right option is option C, family. Question number 23, a child learning how to speak and behave by observing parents is an example of? The right option is option C, informal socialization. Question number 24, the concept of the looking glass slip was proposed by? The right option is option B, Charles Horton Coley. Question number 25, resocialization occurs when? The right option is option A, a person learns a new role in life. Question number 26, the political institution primarily deals with? The right option is option C, power and governance. Question number 27, religion as a social institution primarily contributes to? The right option is option C, social cohesion. Question number 28, which of the following is a manifest function of education? The right option is option D, knowledge transmission. Question number 29, which sociologist introduced the concept of anomie? The right option is option B, Emile Durkheim. Question number 30, polygyny is a form of marriage in which? The right option is option A, a man has many wives. Question number 31, which of the following is a social institution? The right option is option D, marriage. Question number 32, which of the following best describe cultural diffusion? The right option is option B, spread of culture traits from one society to another. Question number 33, a taboo is? The right option is option C, a strongly prohibited act in culture. Question number 34, subculture refers to? The right option is option B, a group with norms different from the mainstream society. Question number 35, sociology is classified as a? The right option is option D, social science. Question number 36, which of the following is not a characteristic of culture? The right option is option B, static. Question number 37. Which of the following is not a function of socialization? The right option is option B, biological growth. Question number 38. Which of the following is an achieved status? The right option is option C, doctor. Question number 39. Enculturation is the process of. The right option is option B, learning one's own culture. Question number 40. Which concept suggests a society is composed of different parts working together? The right option is option C, functionalism. Question number 41. A role is. The right option is option A, the expectation attached to a status. Question number 42. A status is. The right option is option B, a person's social position. Question number 43. Subculture refers to. The right option is option B, a group with norms different from the mainstream society. Question number 44. Anticipatory socialization is when and by individual. The right option is option B, learns to assume a future role. Question number 45. Agents of socialization includes. The right option is option C, family, peers, media, and religion. Question number 46. The concept of generalized other is associated with. The right option is option B, Karl Marx. Question number 47. Peers group influences socialization mostly during. The right option is option C, old age. Question number 48. Which is a secondary agent of socialization? The right option is option C, school. Question number 49. Cultural relativism means. The right option is option C, understanding a culture from its own context. Question number 50. A status that is assigned at birth is called. The right option is option D, ascribed status.